The adults lead the way. They know the safest routes. Though safe here is a relative term. The kids have no choice but to keep up. One slip could be the last. Their only assets are cloven hooves that spread under load. Astonishing balance and the most uncanny agility. Barely a week old, they are utterly fearless. Learning to negotiate these cliffs is central to their survival. But now the family must be on guard against predators. Or grab a chance to browse. Trailing behind, the last youngster is almost down. The kid has never seen a fox before, but knows it's in real peril. It appears to be running into more trouble as it heads back up the cliff. The fox tries to gain the higher ground. But the kid has found safety on a face so steep that only an ibex could stand there. Finally, the fox gives it up as a bad job. Perhaps suddenly aware it's standing on a precipice.